Congregational Child Enrichment Center in Fremont will be closed for Wednesday. Fremont WIC has announced that they'll be closed on Wednesday. Also on Wednesday, the Salvation Army Jewish Shop will be closed. Dodge County Head Start is closed as well for Wednesday. We continue with more closings. The Shepherd Flag Child Development Center in Blair is closed on Wednesday. The Waste Connections and Transfer Station is closed on Wednesday as well. The Fremont Area Medical Center employee and volunteer blood draw is canceled for tomorrow morning. FAMC has canceled their bus service for Wednesday. Salvation Army Joy Shop is closed on Wednesday. And finally, this is pretty cool. Uncle Larry's is closing early tonight, but Uncle Larry's will be opening earlier than normal tomorrow. They'll be opening at 9 a.m. with free coffee for those that are out plowing snow in the morning. Also, the Fremont Area Meals on Wheels program will